Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Fashion Girly Hacks. How are you? I hope you are fine and doing well with good health and very happiness. You have a lot of fun in your life, and this is me Asya, and today I show you in this video. Very stylish and latest collection of low maintenance hairstyling for girls and women. Latest ideas of low maintenance hairstyling with beautiful haircut, very attractive and stylish hairstyling. Eye-catching colors of dye and very attractive overall collection. I hope you like it. Different ideas of hairstyling in low maintenance. Mostly ideas in low maintenance hairstyling, messy hairstyle and spiky hairstyle. But in today's my collection, some ideas too short, wavy and curly hairstyling, and some ideas fine hairstyle. So beautiful ideas of haircut: pixie haircut, bob haircut, shaggy haircut, wedge haircut. And different type of cuts, some ideas layered, deep layered, some ideas step, undercut. And very beautiful collection of hair dye: blonde color, burgundy color, light brown, dark brown, black color, grey color, and some ideas in funky colors. So beautiful ideas of highlights in blonde color, in burgundy color, in funky colors. Very stylish collection of low maintenance hairstyling for girls and women you see in this video. I hope you like it. If you like it, so try this, and if you try it, I hope you look so nice, very stylish, and you look too gorgeous. I hope you must try it. My channel, I request you please do subscribe my channel, like my video, share my video with your friends, your family members and others, and please fully support me, support my channel. My channel can't grow without your support, your help, so I hope you do this and share it your all over social media accounts. So friend, thank you so much for watching my video on my channel. See you soon. I'll be back with new collection, new ideas. Take care and bye bye.